We're back again, putting on some more of this roof. I had a lot of questions in the last one about how to install trusses, so we're going to walk you through how to install these trusses. You'll notice there's two kinds of trusses. I've got two of them with a bit of a cathedral, and the rest all have flat cords. So the two with the cathedral actually go and they match the back trusses. First thing first, I gotta put the jib on. So those guys right now, they're plumbing the wall, prepping for us. Now before we can fly those things into place, we got to lay out the walls. Come with me. So it goes like this. We already have these up. They're in the back here. And then we have these front ones up. They're in the front over the porch. And these are the ones here that we're working on today. So here's the two that have the cathedrals that have to match this cathedral here. Now I've got two trusses and the cathedral has to get all the way over to here. So I'm hoping just to maintain my 2 foot on center across all of them. We've already started our plywood because we had to do things a little bit out of order. But what I want to do is maintain my 2 foot on center from here so that all my plywood sheets work out perfect. I've hooked on that truss there and I'm going to go 2 feet. The line represents the side of the truss. The X is where the truss will sit. My next truss will be here, which is great because that means my two cathedrals fit within this area. And then I'm going to carry on 2 feet on center to the front. Just remember, Nick, cameraman never dies. Set your nail, make sure it's on the mark, and then very carefully watch where you're going. 2 feet on center. 2, X. Boom, laid out. Those guys are now gonna lay out on the top of that wall, get the same marks that we have, and then we're just about ready to rock and roll. Don't forget to send your nail in, because that's a wild tripping hazard. Hate to be unsafe. Now that we've got the trusses laid out on the wall, I'm gonna start cutting some 22 3/8 plus blocks. These are blocks that are going to space the trusses perfectly. They also help to hold them in place so we don't have to. We make a pattern, make it perfect, double check your pattern. So that's a hair short. It'll work for a block, but not for my pattern. I'm gonna make another. All right, there you go, okay? Perfect. They technically should be 22.5, but we make them just under because there's the metal plates, the gussets on the trusses. And what they do is they add a little bit of space in between each gap. So we accommodate for that with our block. Right pattern. And boom! Get somebody to cut them. Need you! Make me a baker's dozen. I just got to give them the starting measurement. Actually, it goes right from that edge of that wall, doesn't it?
The first
Yeah, got it already. 18.5 forward. And while they lay that out, we're gonna bring over the trusses. Just grabbing the sling. This is what we use to lift the trusses. What you're aiming to do is find the center balance of the truss so that when you lift it, it's pretty flat. Like a little bit on an angle is okay because we're not helpless, but you do want it to be close. That worked out pretty good. I'm gonna have to lift it high over top of that trailer. Don't wanna break anything. Oh my goodness. That's why I go so high. It's no crane, but it does the trick. I just gotta come in here and I wanna make sure I'm not gonna wreck anything. I got a stake, pipe. So I think I'm gonna come in between here and here. Is that one okay? Ellie, can you make one block at 18 and a half? The first space has to be a little short because that truss there is in between the gap.
You are up there.
I'm so scared. I'm not scared. Elliot, I need this ladder moved. Good. Okay.
You'll go a ton, Leroy.
It's just caught on the bottom corner there. Yeah, there you go.
The tail length, the exact length of the one next to it. So that number is going to be constant throughout all the trusses. That's what makes it good after you straight the wall.
21 5/8.
21 5/8. So it's right here. So I put a mark down so that I don't have to measure again. Then I move the truss. Hair more. Right there. Nail it. Each truss has to get nailed down with 3 nails. 1, 2. That's not a great nail. If ever you get a nail that you don't like, put another in. My goodness. Boom, boom, boom. I'm just going to lower the boom, and it's going to be able to let this truss come over about 2 feet. And it's still safe. It's still hooked up.
Just go down a bit.
Okay, you want over?
Or Rube, maybe you can set the tail plate.
I could try.
Hopefully it's gonna be worth it.
It'll all pay off.
You wanna do something here, please?
No. You don't take your mattress tag off?
No, you're not supposed to. You're not supposed to rip it off.
Change of plan, super well bounced. We just took the sling off. It really is not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, that's the new thing.
That's the new thing.
The struggles of a rainy day, we're just going for it. Next bunch of trusses. I just heard a lot of cracking.
I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Oh, no, that's fine. Just let her rip.
All right, now that we got all the trusses up, we're gonna put in the ribbon. So very simply, what the guy down here does is he gets it ready and he marks out all the 2-foot-on centers so that when the guy up there gets the piece, all he's gotta do is move the truss over and nail it in. Yeet! Elliot's getting another gun so he can jump up in the attic, nail them off. The other guys are finishing nailing off both ends. Again, 3 nails both sides, 2 from one side, 2 from another. Sorry, that was 1 finger, 2 and 1. So this one goes up in here. So the plans call for every 120 inches on the bottom cord to put a ribbon. So we're gonna put one in the middle, 1 at the end. That's all we need. I wanna stop at this truss because there is gonna be a gable. That's how you install trusses. The same goes for every other one. It's just the same thing over and over, different truss. If you hate it, hate it. If you like it, subscribe. If you wanna see other parts of how to install roofs and stuff, check out my other videos.